It's not a very abrasive scotch.
No. Neat bitter.
This is really taps.
It'll take the what's called a better, the paint bitter.
Change places!
Change places!
The quick switch. I'm the fan of the Futurama. The old Matt Groening. Groening?
Graining.
Graining.
Yeah, graining.
Back in the crazy.
Kitchwan. You're thinking of the brother Tom.
Fucking app. What do you reckon? How far away from it?
Flip it over now, we do the inside.
You don't need sandpaper for there. If I get the clean inside, the edge then inside. And it was on the table, I fucked in the bin. No, that's a small layer.
Oh, what's that? Some plug. There's the winters as well.
Took an ice bit.
Sure.
Yeah. What's that for? Is that the plug for the winters?
Yeah.
And that's why I said, whatever's on here now, I just leave them all here together so in case they're fucking important.
So you were right.
Sun plug for the winters.
Yes.
So yes, hopes and dreams.
PTFE. Why? It's fucked.
Head come off.
Cap, the little like cap on it.
Order one.
Top up for the back case.
Oh yeah. Oh, but that works though.
It does. Fine job.
I think I'll paint them first. The bits on the inside black.
In here.
Yeah. And then mask it. No, them inside them holes or something.
You don't have around that. Nice border. Have you a cover to go over?
No.
What then?
It creates too much heat on it.
Well then, leave it black. That'll look cool.
Black and blue.
Black and blue. Why you remember that name?
Yeah, I kind of like your idea. What is your all in blue though? What do we?
Does he go? How tight does he go in?
And all the way in.
All the way in.
What I mean, kind of.
Here, just have a look. So, I know what it is.
Do you mean?
How small are your drill bits, Alan, for drilling out that joke?
For what?
Oh my god, Alan.
Oh.
I had to pull out the thing, the fucking thing fell inside it. The plug has to go inside the winters.
Ah.
How?
Is it actually?
It actually is.
How?
So I went to take away the fucking...
It didn't bottom out, did
It
it?
went in too far.
It went in and I went to take the fucking Allen key down. And whatever way I caught it when I was pulling it out. Twisted. Bomb.
Why? It's only on the last straight in, was it?
Yeah, there's no cap. There's no cap, you see.
I don't mind, I never did that one.
Where is it
In... Where's the side? See the plug is up there.
Oh, yes. Oh, it's only fucking 10 middle threads. Depth of threads.
Now what?
Open the back door. No, she's fell down.
Yeah, because she won't. She didn't drop the red side, did it?
Yeah.
How did she turn down?
Not really eye panel.
She's smaller.
Not really eye panel as regardless.
Oh fuck.
About the same size, maybe.
It's open the cunt and things again.
I'd say.
I feel punishment if it sounds.
No.
I'd say if you drain it maybe before you drain it. But anyway, yeah, you'd have to drain it. If you took off the back plate then, and it'd fall out the back plate once it's tilted, it'd have to come out eventually. Do you know what I mean?
Take it off.
Oh, you have to take it down, yeah. That's a job for that.
It's a job for another day.
Oh,
Yeah.
geez, scary much.
It's
There's a bone inside where the
It shouldn't have
fucking...
gone in though. It's not, there's no...
No, it's fucked, you see. Oh, no, that one's changed.
There should be a flat plate in it.
There's a, there used to be a head cap on it, but that, and it covered the insert that's there, but it's only on pewter and it broke off, so all you're left with is the stud. So you're kind of
So it was all kind of weeping as well at the same time out by the threads.
No, it wasn't weeping, we're just hanging.
Just sitting on it.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's what more DTF is.
Another person who knows what.
Sean, what did you do?
Something I didn't do before and I won't be doing again.
Go on, tell the people what you're after doing.
Bung for filling the winters and inside the winters. No.
And how do you? Now, in all fairness, it's not your fault. What the bung was,
Fucked.
but the top was gone, so we could trade all the way in and drop
Cap
in.
was gone off it, yeah.
Guessing game for a long time that we got away with.
Well, it's a good thing it didn't happen at the track.
At the track. This is the place for it to happen. This is the place for it to happen. Oh, we'll never see that hole up there, will we?
Up in there.
Yes, that one.
Yeah.
And it just kept treading, and it just dropped down.
Yeah.
And so, how do you get it out if it dropped?
Oh, I'd say
Winters, maybe.
take it out to fuck.
You look so deflated.
Sure, might just send it on as it is.
No, not an ocean.
Sound.
Not an ocean.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the job for another night, though. We've another job already started. Finished one job. Yeah.
Oh, what's this? God's engine? I hear you say you're working on. Oh yeah. Never mind the whole Winters.
Popular one there.
What's that?
Non-popular one there.
Popular one there,
Nice
Joe.
bit done. She's got
Not a popular one, Joe.
flattened out.
Bit of primer now, and away we go.
Good job. You got your fittings today as well, did you?
Yes.
What did you put on it? Like a shove on pipe?
Yeah.
And Jubilee?
Jubilee. There's no pressure.
Oh no, good job. Right, what about that now? My car was running sound, so that adjusted. Now she has them over the heads. Did it go through?
And just starting drilling.
I wonder what size we have.
I have a small one there taken out.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the size of it.
Yeah. So I have to go. I need a small drill pressure thing.
I've never seen these in action now.
No, so I'm nervous myself and taking my time doing it. Trying to find a good position this for I think it's shown as well. Making a mess.
Yeah.
Okay, let's down the box.
Look, 2 gears there.
In the centre. No, it doesn't matter, it's close enough. You're still on the thing.
I'm only on 1 speed, I ain't got the 2 speed yet. I want 2 speed now and see what happens.
Ready?
Yeah. Drop wide. Hold on. Hold on.
Any amount there, scan.
You're not using that again, I take it.
No.
Eire, perfect.
Okay, enough. Yeah.
Might be.
Might have to put one on. What's that then?
I need something to turn that. That's right. Have you a size 2 spanner, Sean? No?
Ah?
Size 2 spanner.
Size 2?
Yeah.
Look. Maybe these out in it.
Yeah.
Vice grip.
Oh, gee, you're on a very small vice grip, is it?
Yeah. Vice grip.
Oh, vice grips. Yeah. Yeah.
One,
I think it'll spin now, Yeah, I'm getting looser.
Really?
Yeah.
Shannon's like a man, you're going slipping.
I fucking am.
Yeah, I'll give you a hand in a second.
No, you're alright. I'm see you here.
Really long night.
Machining.
Stuff is hitting the cover. Come away. Chuck is still going to be in the same place again.
I'm out the in area again with the bit.
Bigger bit. Oh yeah. Oh.
The thing again, am I?
Yeah, it's just touching it now. Might be enough.
SR things.
Yeah, you've done a long way now, Scan. Let's get a little hammer share tipping the top to distract it a bit.
That's probably really bad now. There's people probably crying now seeing saying, what's he at the food?
Caveman logic though, and it usually works.
I don't know.
It's like if the remote doesn't work, you hit it and it works.
Why is he hitting the tap?
Just tap it in, tap a rose.
Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Hey, just tap it in.
Francie, I'm in no fucking position to be making fun of it.
Sorry,
anymore.
Sean, I should put up the lift again.
No, it's I leave where it is.
Jeez, that's tight. Fuck.
Alright.
I'm afraid it'll break the tap in there.
Up there.
Really seeing how tight it is.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, that's only twisting.
It's not twisting. It's bit into it there. Yeah.
Unless you want to drill it bigger.
I'll drill it bigger. Yeah.
You might get a bigger tap in already.
Yeah,
would
we try. We can try. Let's have a look.
It's stronger best, isn't it?
Yeah, that's,
She's
you can feel it there, like it's.
Nothing. What the fuck? It was well in it too.
Feels well in it, like.
that's not coming. That's making its own helical. That's what that's doing now.
Ah. Camera's at an awful angle, was.
Johnny, what's going on? Stop, wait. Checking the shaft bolts, yeah, just making sure they're coming out okay. And he's on.
Woo! Did I get it right there? I went through the bottom of the bolt.
Oh, nice.
And I thought I went through the bottom of the rock cover. But I didn't.
You free.
Oh. Did you find that there?
Huh?
You want to find that?
Ah,
The bolt.
no, it's better falling into it. It's the socket I was using. Yeah.
This one here, sir.
Leave the dries on for a second. We'll let it hang down. I take the top shaft out in place. It might tilt enough that it can rock it out. No, let you shake and try it out a bit better. Ah, yes. Yeah, it'll have to move down. Right, drop it over the bit if you want to show an extra. The half shaft works again. Yeah, top one.
Where's the paint booth?
Should I go into the container next door?
Where, which one?
One there to the left.
The inside one?
Yeah.
Drop. Yeah. Get the shaft there. Now we're down. Down.
Back to you, come in.
clear off the old table instead and we leave it up on top of it where we did it before.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Why you take the diff out?
I fucked up.
See what took me there? It's now in there.
Yeah. It ate it.
The car was ready for the track 2 days ago.
And then they're just topping up with oil and just doing the last job, putting on the bung.
Beep, 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 beep. I need 20 cc's. Here, you don't go here at the back. That's enough?
Hold it. Yep.
So, explain yourself.
Yeah. Fucked it. Continentally fucked it. Yeah, we'll get it out. We were getting along so well. Me and Windy, the Winters. Probably did
You want to put on a pair of grippers now, so I ain't going to. Oh, we're dribbling.
No, pick the right hold you what I like.
That's fine though.
Right.
Send it in there.
Send it anyway, yeah. Fuck it. Oh.
Oh, in the kitchen, Meg.
Oh, in the kitchen, Meg.
That'll be alright, it'll clean up and you know.
This view shot. Off.
Chewy aren't right in the head.
Huh?
Chewy aren't right in the head.
No, never were.
Never
Would
were.
we be at this shit if we were?
No.
Turn the camera on yourself.
No.
You are just as bad as us.
No.
Show them what you're guntering at.
I ain't gonna do a time lapse in a second.
As long as you don't get overspray on it, I'll be happy.
No.
Hey, throw down the back sir.
So I am going giving a lick of paint to this nice rocker cover I got at lovely Ain Fittings because my cash can fills up, but people say that could be a deeper issue, but we won't get into that now because it's an SR. We love the little SR, so let's get into it. Back in and see what the boys are getting on. Have you progress?
No, not yet.
No, we have to stand it up and cash unless it's spill out everywhere.
Well, you have a hole in there.
Stand it there now. Where was it?
Here.
Here. There's so much stuck up the other side, up the top.
Imagine they came down with the aisle.
Try and look in from the side there, Scan, so you see the crown wheel turning.
I can see it turning, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So it can't be gone anywhere bar the case, and so it had to come down. It's probably sitting in behind the crown wheel on the side.
There, I can hear.
There.
You can say again.
Shit going on there, isn't there?
Shine around here.
Is that 916?
I don't
Let me
think so.
see.
Can't see anything going on. It's going.
We'll flip it over the other way.
And put it up the back.
I'll catch it there so I can turn it up.
This side.
Down here. Where the camera should see.
Stand by.
I just popped up as a beard and that has to get out of it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, damn it.
The next day.
In case it all goes wrong.
There we are. Come on, come on, come on.
Come on. Wow.
There it is in all its glory.
Are you going to sand down, you know, the Nissan and the twin cam 16 valve?
That's a job for Shani.
Yes.
Yeah?
Do you want to do that?
I'll try.
You can do that.
Do you trust me? I've kind of, you know, made a cunt this week.
Well, let's keep going. You're on a roll.
No.
Someone got a mop disc to the back
Yeah.
of the face, so you can't be too bad. So
Okay. And to the top of the T there.
yeah, it's all kind of corroded and reaction, but
She's got the
5 meter roll.
Yeah.
It's not the cleanest of engine bays, but like, you know, it's functional.
It's functional. It does what it's supposed to do.
And when it works, leave it alone. When it breaks, I'll fix it.
Go looking at
Make
it then.
it better.
So you're going to throw on your rock cover. Get the bumper bar ready.
Let's have the top of this here for a minute.
I will. Right, I go at it. Them rickshaws wasn't worth 2 shites.
How's it coming out?
Good.
And keep going.
6 degrees.
60 grit and a block. Doesn't it look like a face?
It's shocked.
Would you make me own dog
It's shocked. It's doing such a good job.
Is it good enough for is it?
It is top level. How are you getting on?
Things. Well, you're filming. Yeah, there.
Starting numbers.
Stairs them.
Oh.
In the bin, straight in the bin with them.
Back from the road to the right. Come on. Yes. See ya. Don't fucking give me a copyright claim.
Come away with your dirty hands.
V-Tech.
Oh, careful. Careful. Softly.
Doing up on that.
No. Do the other side as well. Softly.
I heard the best way is just gun them straight in.
Yeah. High torque.
They won't.
Did you miss SR?
No.
No.
You had a long love affair with SRs.
No. There's no love in it.
I think I have.
Affairs with
I
no
think I
love.
have a picture of it when she was still SR. Must cut it in.
Should do like a time of all the different.
Yeah.
positions
You can leave this bit out.
Nice.
Compression fit.
Tight now.
Yeah, I'm not putting that in.
It was tight coming out as well though.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, feel it next week. This 2 weeks we'll blow on Mandela.
Invitational.
Down the below in the pit, setting up the decorations. Good morning.
Hello, everybody.
Well, people go to the internet. How's the boys going? Light ride boys.
They are. Last time he was over, he said he was going.
Is RJ going?
Imports.
Yes, so then you said he was.
Bit.
Come
Come on, get your
Do me a favour, will you?
Depends what the flavour is, Francis.
Tap this hole for me, because you're good at
I
tapping.
am not using them Parkside taps.
Taps there and all, you can use them.
Which hole?
This is one there.
I'll tap it if you want, like, but plug that spark plug hole with toilet roll or something.
So we'll leave it there for tonight and see you all on the next day. I'd say. If we survive it.
What kind of a sign off of that?
It's a bad one.
3 days later.
Now, back to this weapon of mass destruction. Get Connor's car ready for the bash. Sorry, the Invitational. So, obviously, Japfest, we brought Connor's intercooler just as a spare for Alan, and Tomas Falvey ended up using it, so it did get a bit of use, but that's back in now. Don't think there's anything else in under the engine bay that we need to address. I think everything's pretty okay. Give it a quick wipe down, run it up to temperature, make sure it's all good, and yeah, that should sort the engine side of things. Oh yeah, we have the steering rack back in it, so it'll just need a quick alignment. Inside is pretty good. Don't think there's anything needed in here. Maybe a quick tidy up. I must put in a floor plate or a footrest, just because we will have a few passenger spins and stuff like that, just to protect that power steering pump. I think Connor's actually on about changing that power steering pump as well, just as a precautionary measure. He wasn't fully convinced with it the last time he drove it, so yeah, a few small jobs, quick tidy up, quick alignment during the week, and should be good to go. His bumper is currently at Allen's because it was fiberglassing it up there. Other than that, I think it's pretty good. I think Francie is collecting fuel this evening as well. Both Connor and Francie run Sunoco. Also, we need to get this thing off the lift. We Fiesta bus, grand little dinger of a car, belongs to our friend Jerry Joyce, who's our local Snap-on rep. So yeah, you can pay me back monthly for this segment of the video, Jerry. It's no real bother. That's badly wanted. Wake you up.
Every time this young starts, I can feel my pocket crying.
Yeah?
Yeah. And I love it.
We're crying for worse.
Oh! Getting too old for these by a racer cat.
Too nice to cover up that now. It's far too nice. Leave that alone.
That was pure and utter thickness after a shy lap. I said, fuck it, I'm going to hit it off the wall.
Jobbing's done. Intercooler fully mounted. Topped up the oil. Small leak in the power steer, and that's fixed now. And we're just loaded. Get it aligned during the week, and we're sound. I think we might trip down to Francie this evening and finish off his car. He needs a small bit of paint work done and a few small tidy jobbings to do. So yeah, we'll leave it here for this vlog because we're going to be busy. That's one red beach nearly ready to go. Yeah, sounds nice, doesn't it? Sounds way nice with the back box. I never thought I'd say it.
It's fierce easy to get ready now, though, to be fair.
No, there was no bung to drop in a different anthem in fairness.
Nothing like that.
Oh, the fixed better check. Yes.